I'm trying my best to not annoy the Tuna Gang. They're visiting my game, Sonic the Fighters, which is Green Hill, and they're officially sleeping in the forest. Like how Amy likes to say that the forest is the most beautiful place on Earth. In fact, it is. I'm trying my best to not annoy them because they're sleeping. You know, not only that their girlfriends, Vanellope, Eve, Jubilita, and Eve. Sorry. Let me try again. Not only that Vanellope, Eve, Minty, and Jubilita like seeing them sleep, but they're just like belching at their face when they sleep. I remember one time they got really angry at them for waking them up, and Swizzle beat them up. Literally, they got so upset. I mean, seriously, I remember that time. If you want to see that video, it's in the Wreck-It Ralph Sugar Rush playlist. I'm trying my best to be very careful, not to wake them up. There's nothing better than just to have a bit of a nap on a Sunday, like how we like to relax on Sundays. That's right, boss. Like always. And no one, I repeat, no one gets to interrupt us. Yeah, they don't want the same mistake like they did last time, like our girlfriends did. I had a bit of chili dogs today, and they were very good. I think I can get them a bit of belching, which is a great idea to me. Uncle Sonic, your burp smells like chili dogs, and it does not stink. That's right. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to Rancy Boy, aka Rancis. That's right, I like to call him Rancy Boy sometimes. Sonic, your burp never stinks. It smells like chili dogs. Now, I'm gonna move on to Wally, burping at his face. Sonic, your burp smells like chili dogs, and it never stinks. Now, last but not least, the Gloyd Orange Boy, the merry prankster of Sugar Rush. Sonic, your burp smells like chili dogs, and it never stinks. It never stinks. I will let them snooze now.